In this video, we are going to share our own experience of using both of these platforms so you can decide which one is better for you. Watch this video till the very end so you won't make any mistakes, and let's get started.
I've been using both Tableau and Power BI for about 6 months now for business intelligence. And if you're trying to choose between them, it really comes down to flexibility versus ecosystem. Let's start with Tableau. This tool is all about visualization. It's incredibly powerful when it comes to building complex, interactive dashboards. I found it especially strong for exploring data and creating custom visuals. You can pretty much design anything you want. It also handles large data sets really well. But the downside is pricing. Tableau is expensive, especially for smaller teams. And for beginners, it can feel a bit overwhelming at first. Now, Power BI. This one is much more accessible. If you've used Excel before, you'll feel comfortable pretty quickly. It integrates perfectly with the Microsoft ecosystem. Things like Azure, Excel, and Teams just work together smoothly. I also like the pricing. It's significantly more affordable, but it's not as flexible as Tableau when it comes to advanced visualizations. And performance can slow down with very large or complex data sets. So what should you pay attention to? First, your ecosystem. If your company already uses Microsoft tools, Power BI is the obvious choice. Second, visualization needs. If you need highly customized dashboards, Tableau is stronger. Third, budget. Power BI is much more cost-effective. Downsides? Tableau can be expensive and complex, while Power BI can feel limited for advanced use cases. Bottom line, Tableau is better for advanced data visualization and flexibility, while Power BI is the smarter choice for affordability, ease of use, and Microsoft integration.